and we're going to really ramp up our vaccine delivery starting next week, if we receive vaccine.
Flathead County Health Officer Joe Russell says the county is expecting to receive close to 1,300 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine on a weekly basis for distribution starting as early as next week. Russell says those new shipments of vaccine will be administered to individuals in Tier 1B of the state's rollout plan, including individuals 70 years and older and those with underlying medical conditions.
We're presuming that we're going to get a lot, a pretty sizable amount, and we're not going to sit on vaccine. We're going to get it where it needs to be.
Russell says the county's distribution plan has run smooth so far, with 1,170 people having already received both doses of the Pfizer vaccine, while close to 1,400 people have received the first dose of the Moderna vaccine. Russell says he's not sure if future doses will be predominantly Pfizer or Moderna.
We may end up with some Pfizer and we may end up with some Moderna. Only time's going to tell. I think from a scaling perspective, it doesn't matter to us. It all vaccinates the same. It's just a lot more front-end work that we will have to have more assistance from Kalispell Regional to pull off.
Russell says the county plans on strictly following state and CDC recommendations, administering 2 doses of the vaccine to people more susceptible to COVID-19.
When we get to the general population, very healthy people, maybe we can get away with just doing 1 dose and picking it up in another 3 months. But this very susceptible Tier 1, Tier 1B, I think we've got to stay to label and get that second dose in when it's prescribed.
Russell says Flathead hospitals are finishing up vaccine distribution to area healthcare workers this week. In Kalispell, Sean Wells, NTN News.